Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what many consider the best 10-inch parchment paper rounds available on the market. Whether you're a professional baker or a home cooking enthusiast, these parchment rounds are designed to make your baking experience cleaner, easier, and more efficient. These baking parchment rounds come in a convenient set of 100 pre-cut sheets, perfectly sized at 10 inches to fit most standard cake pans, springform pans, and even tortilla presses. What makes them stand out is the premium quality food-grade pulp material that is not only safe to use with all your favorite recipes but also offers excellent heat resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, or 230 degrees Celsius. This means they hold up well in the oven without burning or tearing. One of the key benefits of these parchment rounds is their non-stick coating. This feature ensures that your cakes, cookies, or any baked goods easily release from the pan, leaving you with beautifully intact desserts and no stuck-on mess. This non-stick surface also means your pans are easy to clean, reducing prep and cleanup time significantly. Another impressive feature is their waterproof and anti-tear construction. Unlike regular parchment paper that can sometimes get soggy or rip under moisture or weight, these rounds stay intact and dry, helping your baked goods maintain their shape and texture. This is particularly helpful when baking moist items like cheesecakes or delicate pastries. The fact that these sheets are pre-cut to a perfect circle saves you a lot of time and effort in the kitchen. No more guessing or cutting parchment paper to fit your pans. You can simply grab a sheet from the pack and line your pan in seconds, making your baking process smoother and more efficient. Versatility is also a major plus. Beyond just cakes, these parchment rounds are great for baking cookies that hold their shape better, lining air fryer baskets, or even separating items like meat or bacon during cooking. They help promote even baking and prevent sticking, ensuring consistent results. In summary, these 10-inch baking parchment rounds deliver premium quality, convenience, and versatility. Their heat resistance, non-stick and waterproof properties, along with the time-saving pre-cut design make them a must-have kitchen accessory for anyone serious about baking. If you want to elevate your baking game and enjoy hassle-free cleanup, these parchment paper rounds from BOYAN are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations.